Replacing windows is a major home improvement decision, and homeowners want to be confident that their investment will pay off. Vinyl windows have become one of the most popular window choices due to their balance of performance, affordability, and durability. For homeowners in Redmond, understanding the long-term benefits of vinyl windows can help determine whether they are truly worth the investment. Designed for Redmond's weather conditions, Redmond experiences frequent moisture, cool temperatures, and seasonal weather changes that can challenge traditional window materials. Vinyl windows are well suited for these conditions because they resist moisture absorption and do not rot, warp, or corrode over time. This moisture resistance makes vinyl windows especially valuable in Redmond, where consistent rainfall and damp conditions can shorten the lifespan of less durable window materials. Energy efficiency that supports comfort. Energy efficiency is a key factor when evaluating the value of vinyl windows. Modern vinyl windows feature insulated frames and multi-pane glass that help reduce heat loss during colder months and prevent drafts. For Redmond homeowners, improved insulation means more consistent indoor temperatures and reduced strain on heating systems. Over time, this efficiency can translate into noticeable energy savings. Low maintenance and long-term savings. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance design. Unlike wood windows, they do not require painting, staining, or sealing to protect against moisture. Routine cleaning is usually all that's needed to maintain their appearance. This reduced maintenance saves Redmond homeowners both time and money, making vinyl windows a cost-effective choice over the long term. Durability that delivers lasting value. High-quality vinyl windows are built to last. Reinforced frames and strong seals help maintain structural integrity and prevent air and water leaks. Vinyl is also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring dependable performance over many years. For Redmond homeowners, this durability means fewer repairs and a longer window lifespan compared to other materials. Improved noise reduction. Vinyl windows provide excellent sound insulation, which can be especially beneficial in busy neighborhoods or near traffic. Multi-pane glass and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In Redmond homes, this added comfort can make a noticeable difference in daily living. Boosting home value and appeal. Installing vinyl windows can enhance a home's resale value by improving energy efficiency, comfort, and appearance. Buyers often look for homes with updated windows that require minimal upkeep. For Redmond homeowners considering resale, vinyl windows are an attractive upgrade that signals long-term value and modern performance. Design flexibility. For any home style, vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes. Whether your home has a traditional or modern design, vinyl windows can be customized to match your aesthetic preferences. This versatility allows Redmond homeowners to upgrade functionality without sacrificing visual appeal. Are vinyl windows worth it in Redmond? When considering durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance, and long-term savings, vinyl windows offer strong value. For Redmond homeowners looking to improve comfort and protect their investment, vinyl windows are a smart and worthwhile choice that delivers reliable performance for years to come.